What does the wait_window method do? It seems that the object that calls this method waits for the window passed as parameter to be destroyed before continue with its own loop. From the doc strings of the MISC class, we can observe. At first glance, it seems like this method can make a top-level modal, but this is not true. To make a top-level modal, we have to use the grab_set method. I have seen around other explanations. Wait_window seems to not return until the given widget passed as parameter is not destroyed. From another place. Wait_window widget creates a local event that waits for the given widget to be destroyed. This loop doesn't affect the application's main loop. From the FBOT documentation, we have the wait_window enters a local event loop and doesn't return until the given window is destroyed either via the destroy method or explicitly via the window manager. What exactly means for a window to wait for window itself? It seems that the code that comes after the call to wait_window is not executed until the window passed to the same method is not destroyed. In the following working example, we can see a proof on what just said. Mini-event loop finished will be printed only when the local top-level widget called dialog is destroyed. So, in exactly what real circumstances should I use this method?
Like the documentation states, it waits until the given window is destroyed. It is mostly used for modal pop-ups, though it doesn't itself make a window modal. The call to the function simply doesn't return until the target window is destroyed. To make a modal window, you have to do a grab as well. The most common use is to create an instance of top level, populate that window with widgets, then wait for the window to be dismissed before doing some other action. While it is waiting, tkinter is able to continue to process events as normal. For instance, you can disable or defer creation of the main GUI pop-up at terms of service notice and wait for the user to acknowledge the terms of service, copyright, license, etc. Once the window is destroyed, you can then finish initialization or enable some widgets, etc. The standard file dialog is a perfect example. You pop up the dialog, then your code waits for the user to pick a file, then it uses the file name that was returned. Internally, the implementation of the dialog uses wait_window so that it doesn't return until the dialog is dismissed.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.